All right, gang. We're the Millers.
In paradise.
We got Seaworld Part
3.
something.
3, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna hit a few things here today. It's threatening weather and it's hotter than you know what out here, but that's typical this time of year in Florida. So we're trying to get some stuff done.
Yeah, you just kind of have to be ready to roll with the punches around here during the summer because the thunderstorms in the afternoon are pretty much just a daily thing. So
bring ponchos and stuff like that.
Yeah, we brought the ponchos, and so we're going to do a few things that we haven't done before, like the lighthouse tower and some of maybe the orca encounter. So y'all come along.
Maybe the manatee feeding area thing, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
We're going to try a few things. Maybe the penguins. That'll be nice and cool anyway.
Ooh, that's where we can cool off. Great idea.
So yeah, we're going to check that out. So.
Yep. So y'all come along and join us for Seaworld Part 3.
Yep. All right.
Let's go.
Say something, Teresa.
What's up? What's up, baby? You ready for
Third go around with Mike.
You ready for some fun? If we can get the mic set. Wink, wink.
Flamingos. We didn't see these last time we were here. They weren't out. What are you fussing about? They're in the shade anyway.
I lost my mic.
You lost your mic?
Yeah.
Huh?
It fell off. Gotta put it back on, but I need you to hold my stuff.
Alright. We're going to see the dolphins and head over to the manatee and alligator. Really don't do the shows here. They just feed them. You can actually touch them and stuff like that. It's actually a paid experience, so you can touch them and stuff like that. It's not just anybody walk up to it. They roped off over here. You usually walk all the way around and stop doing it. Anyway, it's a pretty cool experience. Always finding friends.
Yeah. He's so cute. Or she. Little tiny thing. Hi.
Dolphin underwater viewing. Go and check it out. Hopefully it'll be cool anyway. Alright, going to the underwater dolphin viewing area.
And it's cool.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Ooh, it kind of makes you dizzy. Look at it. Doesn't it make you dizzy?
Yeah, a little visually distorting, I guess you say.
It kind of messes with your. Whew. There they are.
Yeah, they're still doing the encounters there. You can see them.
Yeah, you see them turning around.
There it comes. Whoa.
Yeah, he's eating.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You never seen this before?
I want to be a dolphin in my next life.
You never seen it before?
Nope.
Really?
Nope.
Yeah, I've been here several times. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Look, it's coming right at us. Yep. Look at that. Aww. Look. Oh, here's 3. Look.
Yeah, 3 of them coming right there.
Is that a baby?
Yep.
Yeah.
Definitely cool in both ways.
All right,
Want to see some turtles.
turtle trek.
We don't know what this is, but
Oh
that's
yeah, I've
okay.
never seen this before. Fairly new to me anyway.
Yeah, I've never been in here either.
We're gonna see
Let's go
what
see
it is.
some turtles.
All right, well,
This is
kind of manatees.
manatees. Hey, I'll take it.
Supposed to be turtles around something. I don't know. This is all new to me. I've never been here.
Yeah,
I've seen the manatee and stuff from above. Overlooking the
that's so
railing.
weird that it said turtle trek.
Yeah, well, they're right in somewhere, I guess.
So cool. I guess we'll be able to see them from up top in a minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I've seen them up on the top side where the railing is. Overlook the railing. I've never seen it from down here. Cool. All right.
It's cooler in here to view them from underwater.
A little bit cooler. Still hot as you know what.
Look at that.
The old fish. The black pack owl. What it is. Never heard of it.
Is that?
I never heard of it. That's what it is. That's a snook tail. I know what they are.
A what?
Snook.
Never heard of
They're
it.
native to areas right here.
Oh. Can you eat them?
That thing, I don't know, South American or something. I've seen that one.
That's like an alligator gar up there. I don't know if it is.
That's what it looks like. Another big one right here.
These are those. Ooh, yeah.
I'm missing a fin.
Is it really?
Yeah, see on the left.
Aw.
Great
Sad.
fin.
I think everything here
Yeah, they're rescued.
is rescued, yeah. They can't be in the wild because when they get them, I think if they can release them, they will.
Right. Yeah, that probably wouldn't survive in the wild.
No. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Hello there. I'm sorry.
So cool.
Your camera.
That's a big one.
I love it when you see schools of fish. It's so cool.
Pretty pretty.
There's another turtle over there that's really small. See it up there?
That's the first one that's over there. A little small one over here.
That looks like a baby. Come down here, Nemo. Not Nemo. Crush. Crush.
We're in the wrong part for that here, but
I could still call it Crush if I want.
that's cool.
That one, I'm wondering if it can get out because it's still.
Get over there next to us.
Oh, you get it.
Yeah, get over here next to us.
They're hiding. All right, let's see what else we can find. I hear music. All right, we're on the top side of the turtle trek thing, looking down on what we just saw. And there's one big turtle right here.
Do you see
Get him right
it?
here. Get him right here.
Whoa.
He's up near the glass in there. It'll be a turn. He'll come over. Here he comes.
Come out.
There you go. There you go.
We're so close we could touch them. If I squatted down.
Yep, pretty big, right?
I think it's huge. You can tell how big they are more out here.
Yeah, it's hard to
And
tell
under.
in the aquarium. One glass is plexiglass, what it is, so thick, kind of distorts it.
I don't see the other two. Look at his shadow.
Yeah, that's it.
That's cool.
Shadow on the bottom. Pretty cool. Alright, find the manatee.
Look at that huge one.
Yeah, I know.
Those
Baby
two.
one there, there, next to it. Baby, all the way to about 600 pounds.
Good grief.
There's a bunch of them here. You can tell the baby's kind of gray color,
Yeah, they're,
light gray.
yeah.
Yeah, they're the younger ones. They're big. I wouldn't call them babies.
What's that stuff on their backs? Is that just algae?
It's algae, yeah. Yep.
Look at him.
on,
With his
yeah.
mouth open.
Breathing or doing something. You're going to spit at you, brother.
Oh, come on. Please.
Yeah. The manatee spit all over you.
Look at the baby coming up. I want to go swimming with them. Can I?
Go right ahead.
There are places.
I'll swear I don't know you.
There are places in Florida that you can go swim with
Crystal
them.
River or
Something.
somewhere like that. You can have to go snorkeling with them and stuff.
Yeah. That needs to be on our bucket list.
Yeah.
Swim with
Between that and
manatees.
Silver Spring, we talked about that today.
Yeah, definitely going
Last water
there.
boat ride.
Yeah. I want to get in the water with them.
Where we pick them up. But until then, we do have those surrogate mothers, Sarah and Oakley, and they will help take care of them until they are big enough to be re-released. And then
Pit stop here. A ride that hasn't got up carried to ride yet. Reason afternoon to ride. Yeah, I know. Look at the phone cake. Uh-oh. Phone cake and ice cream.
We're getting ice cream.
Two of the basic food groups, right?
Yeah.
All right, we got an animal show or something.
Yeah. This is new. I've never seen it, but it's new. I think this year. They have rescue tales during the day too, a completely different show, and then they have 3 of these at night, and it shows all the animals that have like night vision and stuff. So we're coming to see the night animals.
Might be interesting. I'll try to get some of it on camera.
Oh, I know we're wet, but we can do better than that. How you guys doing tonight? Now, my name is JoJo, and this is Christian, and we work for a company called Conservation Ambassadors. We're actually based out of California, and what it is we do at our center is we give a home to rescued wildlife, either to animals that have been injured somehow and can't be set free back out into the wild. Those animals are sent to us at our center, or other times we have a big problem, especially in the United States. We have a problem with people.
That's right. He's not just a skunk, he's a striped skunk, and you can tell by those beautiful racing stripes going down his back. Now here in Florida, you guys have the spotted skunk. There's even a hog-nosed skunk. The skunk nose is kind of like a pig. But the one thing all these skunks have in common is that spray. Have you guys heard about spray before? All right, cool. Let me show you how it works then. Just kidding. That one will be for the end of my career, but it's definitely going to happen in junior high school, so don't you worry.
I'm kidding, that's my only owl joke. Yo, hoo. You guys are absolutely right. She is an owl. She's what's known as the great horned owl, named for these beautiful feather tufts on top of her head. Now, this bird here is perfectly set up to fly and hunt at night. some things that help her. Number one are those eyes. Her eyes are so good at seeing at night that if we turned off all the lights in here, if we made it so dark in this room that you couldn't see your own hand, just without light, and we took one little candle, with one little candle of light in the middle of a big area like this owl can see everything about as well as we see it right now.
While the railroad tracks have been built, in fact, he was brought state to state as a food source. But we came across little Poppy here. One night, a lady was driving home, and she saw a cute little fur ball run across the road. And she tried her best to stop, but she'd actually hit that fur ball, and she got out of her car and saw that she had hit an opossum. However, this lady was smart, and she had done her research, and she remembered reading somewhere that opossums were marsupials. Now, we know marsupials now have the pouch, but what do they keep in that pouch?
Baby.
What do they keep in that pouch? There we go. So she got down real low and she bravely opened up that pouch. And what she found.
This is Boris, and he is the South American porcupine, otherwise known as the Quindu. Now, you guys have all heard about how porcupines shoot their quills, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clap really loudly. When I clap really loudly, he's going to shoot 10 to 20 quills towards the audience. So you guys in the front rows, cover your eyes. No. Do they really shoot their quills? No, those quills are just hair. It's hair that's sharp and stiff and pokey. And when another animal touches them, that's when those needles are left behind. It's not like they're spring-loaded and you can take Fire Missile 6 and shoot them out. But even though gold raccoon babies and these two little ones came to our center because they were found abandoned, or because it was shoveled out. They couldn't see them in the backyard, and these two little ones fell out of a nest, and the people were waiting around for Mom, but she never showed up. So they took them to a rehab center where these guys would have had the best chance of making it back out into the wild. But unfortunately, the county that these two were found in has a non-release policy for raccoons. So these guys needed to find a forever home. So that rehab center called us up and asked if we could take him in. And how could you say no to those cute little faces? We took them in, and I'm so excited to watch them grow and develop with you guys here at Seaworld. And I'll tell you what, raccoons are one of the most highly adaptable animals on this planet. For instance, they have hypersensitive fingertips. Fingertips that are about 6.
Y'all forget about mine?
Yeah, you knew we couldn't leave without doing some shopping.
Your dad has yours.
We're ready.
All right, lead the way.
Always.
I'm looking forward to having all this fun.
Shirts.
All right.
Look at these cool new shirts they've got. These weren't here last time.
Yeah, they always changing stuff. You've been in here not what, a month or so ago?
I like that.
Yeah, that's cute.
I like that. $26.99. I like that hat.
Yep.
You need that hat.
I don't have any SeaWorld stuff at all.
No, $25 for the hat. Yeah, neither one of us have any SeaWorld shirts or hats or anything, I don't think. I have a shot glass and a magnet.
Yep.
That's it.
You may have to change that.
I like this jacket.
Definitely don't need that today.
Oh, no.
Find some cuddle buddies.
Look how cute this little pink turtle is. I'm sorry, but she's cute, and it's a she because she's pink. 20.
Thank you, buddy.
That's adorable.
Ran into some new friends here, YouTube channel. The two nights.
We usually have all of our camera equipment, to be honest. Tonight is just
Just cat.
park.
We started not to because of the weather today, and we've been toting right under that rain jacket most of the day. But
Stuff, and I'm like, nope, we're just going to enjoy ourselves just for a few hours, then tomorrow we're going to go to Aquatica.
yeah,
Fine. Well, we will look you up.
Yeah, where you guys from?
Here, Orlando. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're right here.
we're
Yeah.
Claremont.
Yeah. Well, it was nice to meet y'all. Yeah.
Nice to
Good
meet
luck with everything. Thank
All right, gang. I think we're gonna call it a day here. We've had bad
sad.
weather all day. It's been off and on, raining and thunder, and they said they would shut all the rides down because we got a storm coming.
Yeah, we already got caught in a downpour that lasted what? At least an hour.
Hour and a half, probably.
It was
total,
so
yeah.
bad. It rained so hard. So we waited that out. I did eat a waffle bowl ice cream sundae while we waited, so it wasn't terrible. And then we went to a rescue tail show after that. As soon as we walked out of the show, we're headed to some rides. They came on the loudspeaker and said that there's lightning in the area and they're shutting everything down until the storm passes. So we decided we're not getting stuck again. We're going to go ahead and head on home, maybe go do a little grocery shopping on the way home. And
yeah, we were kind of thinking about staying for the fireworks, but the way the weather looks, it may be a wasted stay. So
yeah, because it was miserable.
We just head on home, not worry about it. So.
Yeah, so, well, that just gives us something else to come back for.
Yeah, we still didn't do Aquatica. Oh, what is it? Antarctica. The penguins and stuff.
Oh, yeah, and Journey
But
to
we thought about
Atlantis.
doing it, but we'd have been so daggone cold after get soaking wet going in there. So
It's freezing cold when you go in there, like it's so cold, but wet,
yeah,
no way.
It's chilly even when you drive.
Yeah, you freeze.
It's really cold when it's wet.
Yeah, so, we'll just come back and still got lots of things to ride, things to do.
Yep.
So, anyway, thank you guys for coming along on our short little adventure today.
Yep. As always, like,
Subscribe.
leave us some notification. Click the notification bell.
Yeah, to leave us some comments.
Leave us some comments.
Let us know what you would like to see.
Yep.
And thanks again for coming along.
Did we say subscribe?
Yes.
We did.
We did.
Good.
Hey, subscribe. It takes a second. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything.
Exactly,
Come on,
yeah.
click it. Click it. It's not going to hurt nothing.
All right, we'll see you on the next adventure.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.